Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and this is my Printable Ecom Academy review. I'm going to go over this entire course and explain to you why I like this course and why right now, as I'm making this video, it's the best printable course out there. If you're interested in making money online with printables, then this is a course. But I want you to first watch this video until the very end so that you know if it's right for you or not. On top of that, make sure you check out my custom bonuses below. I'll have information about that below. Again, I sell currently printables online, and each custom bonuses I created is specifically designed to help you with this course and with your own business, printable business, so that you can sell more and work less on your online printable shop. So again, watch this video until the very end. Okay, so before I begin with my Printable Ecom Academy review, I want to show you my custom bonuses. Anytime during this video, if you want to claim them or check them out, you can look down the information below and you'll find all 5 right here. I want to go through them real quick before I jump into the actual course. So number 1 is my new printable profits case study. Watch me earn online with silly printable niches. I show you everything, okay, which is really cool. Start to finish, I show you my squeeze page, my thank you page, and basically my funnel on how I profit with printables. Okay, now the cool thing about printables is if you watch any of my videos in the past, you know, you don't share any, it's kind of like a fusion between physical products and affiliate marketing, right? So with physical products, you gotta ship things and stuff, which is complicated and it's a hassle. With printables, you don't have to do it, but it has the same kind of setup, but without any, it's all digital products. And you know, with affiliate marketing, you have to share the profits with the vendor, with the person who's creating the product. In this situation, you don't have to share the profits with anybody, which is kind of the pros of both worlds. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Number 2 is my Facebook traffic propagator software. I had this software designed to help me get traffic to my printables via Facebook groups. You get full access to my software plus video training, okay? So that's included with my custom bonuses. Number 2, my Pinterest traffic software. Now, by the way, if you're wondering, both of these traffic pieces of software, they're both created because of printables. I had them created for myself to help me get traffic to my printables, and they still work and you get access to them, okay? And they fall in line perfectly with what you learn inside of Becky Beach's Printable Ecom Academy. Number 3, again, my Pinterest traffic software. I had software made to get traffic from Pinterest boards. You get full access to my software. Again, you also get video training. Number 4, you get 52 done for you printables, okay? You get full rights, including commercial rights. This is currently an upsell for one of my printable courses. You get this for free with full commercial rights to all 52 printables. And number 5, and a really important one, is my printable course. Okay, I currently earn online with printables. I'm going to show you my site in a little bit when I review Printable Ecom Academy, and you're going to get my site, which also includes case studies and how-to guides. Okay, so those are my custom bonuses. Okay, so you're going to want to check that out. I'm also going to go over the OTOs later, but right now let's get into the course. Right now I'm inside of Printable Ecom Academy. And I want to point out right off the bat, okay, for the price point, it's extremely affordable right now. On Teachable, this course is over 400. It's almost 500 bucks. It's about 497, I believe, on Teachable. Okay, but you can get it now for a very, very low price, and in it, you get almost 40 videos. Okay, and this is, you know, everything is categorized and everything is in bite-sized digestible videos with tutorials and written guides, excuse me, explaining exactly how to set up your printable shop. Okay, this is one of my printable shops right now. This is in the baby shower niche. If you watch any of my videos, this is the niche that I often go to and show you how I profit with printables. You know, and it's a very lucrative little site. And again, it's an e-com store, but I'm not selling anything physical. I don't have to ship anything. Everything's digital. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this course. Okay, little by little, because there's so much to cover. I want to go over the points I like best. Okay, and I'm going to show you examples with my own ecom store here, my own printable ecom store, which is really important. Okay, so in the training overview, you got Becky Beach talking about what you're going to go through this course, and it's very detailed. She gives you her own mom beach shop example. Again, straightforward, and there's not very much guesswork. Everything is explained to you in this video. In the first module, you get product research. Okay, this shows you exactly how to go to different types of sites, such as Etsy and Teachers Pay Teachers, to find out what's selling, what's hot, what you can sell off of your own ecom site, printable ecom site. So basically, product research. This is important in any type of online business model you're gonna do. Be it KDP, be it affiliate marketing, be it printables. You want to learn what is selling, okay? It's okay to jump into a hot market. You want to be in a competitive market because that's what's selling, okay? You're not looking to dominate the whole niche. You're looking to get a piece of the pie, which is extremely important. Boutique branding or shop branding, okay? Basically, you want to niche down like I did in this example. Here's my baby shower site, and I have plenty of different baby shower printable game sets that I sell off my site. Now, the important thing here is that each printable is based off of what people are selling currently. I never create a printable or sell anything online that people aren't looking for, okay? I'm not using my creativity or imagination. Everything I sell is based off of what is selling already right now, which is really important. And this is something you learn with Google Trends. One of the videos that she teaches here or goes over here under the boutique branding module. You gotta sell what's already selling, okay? And you're not looking to rip people off and just duplicate what people are already selling, but so much get inspired. Oh, for example, let me give you an example right here. Blue elephant baby shower printable games, right? People are looking for blue elephant baby shower, whatever, blue elephant baby shower cups, blue elephant baby shower bingo games, all of that. And I provide a solution for that, okay? First, I find out what people want and I give it to them. Really important, okay? So here we go with how to set up your store foundation the right way. Okay, basically, I use a plugin called WooCommerce for WordPress. We have Becky here. She uses Shopify. Okay. Now, I'm not going to get into an argument which is better than the other. They both have their pros and cons. You get to choose. Again, if you go through my page here, you get access to my course as well. So you ultimately you can choose. Okay. And they have their pros and demerits, okay? And she shows you how to set up your own store with Shopify. She breaks down everything in this video course, okay? She also gives you legal documents, okay? And these are really important. If you scroll down to the bottom of any of my sites, be it affiliate marketing or be it printables or KDP related, I always have disclaimers and stuff, and she provides you with that as well. I must tell you, there is no stone left unturned on this course. It's really good. This Printable Ecom Academy course is really good, and I highly recommend it if you're looking to earn online like I do, like Becky does with printables. Okay. The next module here is customize a high converting store theme with UX design principles. Okay, now it sounds overly complicated, but she gives you all the paperwork you need to do, all the things you just got to copy and paste, and to actually get your online printable store launched. Okay, there's not much thought here. Everything is provided for you. All you got to do is just follow the directions or cut and paste. Very easy stuff. Next, the best Shopify apps to use. So apps, okay, so if you're using Shopify, it's all about apps, okay? There are free and other apps that you have to pay for. She recommends these here. When it comes to WordPress, it's all about plugins. It's the same thing. Some are free, some are paid for. WooCommerce is, there's a paid version. I just use a free version, truth be told, when it comes to creating a printable store. You can go either way, Shopify or WooCommerce. It's up to you. Next module is how to sell a PLR product as your own. So
PLR is private label rights. Basically, someone else creates it and you just buy the rights. So you buy the commercial rights to sell it as your own product. That's a great avenue to go in. Okay, a lot of my printables I created myself or had someone else create for me, but I also use PLR as well. Okay, if I find a design much better than anything I can do, I'm just gonna buy the rights and sell it on my own on repeat, which is really cool. And same thing, that's Becky's bread and butter, is selling PLR already created products that she can buy the rights to and sell it as her own. So it's really an amazing way to earn online using PLR printables. Listing a printable planner. Okay, now this is one type of printable you can create, which is called a planner. There's planners for weight loss or meal trackers. There's planners for travel. There's all kinds of different types of planners. One of the most popular printables you can sell out right now is a planner. Okay, I went the game route, as you can see here. These are games. But there's all types of printables. Remember, a printable, all it is a digital product that your end user will ultimately print out. So it becomes, it changes from from digital to physical, because your end user, your customer, is going to actually print it out. So we have store collection. The store collection is a number of different printables under the same category, all right? So when it comes to my example here, if I go, for example, to this basketball related printable product here, if you scroll down, you have other related games, okay? Everything is about games, so everything is gonna cross promote. Okay, so someone might not want my basketball printable game set, and they might actually find something more interesting to them. Like, for example, this Bumblebee one is extremely popular. It's earned me thousands of dollars, and because again, everything cross sells. Okay, not exactly an upsell, but a cross sell, where someone might be looking at my basketball printable game set, but they might get interested in my Bumblebee game set. Okay. So it's really important. You want to create those collections. And then again, the last one here, finishing touches to your store. Okay, basically you're gonna want to, because you're selling a digital product. Let me show you right here. If I click on, let's go to this basketball one. If I click get it now, okay, get it now. You can see here, and I go proceed to checkout. You can see here all my customer has to do is put in their first name, last name, and email address. Okay, and then they just proceed to PayPal and they pay for it. Okay, a lot of times with WooCommerce and Shopify, they have shipping information, phone numbers, and stuff that your end user has to put in. But because you and I are selling printables, we don't want that information. It's going to hurt our conversion rate. So you need the proper plugins, or in Shopify's example, apps, to get rid of those different types of inputs, so that you just have first name, last name, and email address, and just ship, or I should say deliver the printable directly to their email address once they purchase. So again, really important. Within Becky Beach's Printable Ecom Academy, you learn how to do that, how to just strip away the Shopify store to its bare essentials, so that you can improve on conversions. Okay, really good stuff. I am a big fan of this course. I must say it's better than my own printable course. But before I go, I want to go over the OTOs real quick. Okay, now there are two OTOs. Okay, OTO number one, or upsell number one, is 50 done for you high quality printable products with full commercial rights. This is a great option. I have this, but you don't need it because I have a better one. Number 4, 52 done for you printables. You get full rights. These are my printables that I'm giving you full access to. Okay. Now I do recommend you get it. You get it anyways, because then you have over 100. Okay. But you don't really need it because I'm giving you 52. However, I highly recommend upsell number 2. This is Ecom Traffic Academy, Becky's complete free traffic sources, just as detailed as Printable Ecom Academy. So all the detail you get from Printable Ecom Academy, Becky Beach has duplicated this, but with traffic. Okay, she shows you her exact traffic sources. I highly recommend it. It's not necessary because you have my printable course and I show you my traffic sources, and you also have my software. But I also highly recommend, because I was really impressed by Becky Beach's her Ecom Traffic Academy. Okay, and that's my review in a nutshell. If I went through something too quickly, or you didn't quite understand a point of mine, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos like this. And not only do I make reviews, but I also make tutorials, guides, and I also have interviews with high income online earners. So make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, again, let me know in the comments section. And I hope you like this review for Printable Ecom Academy. I hope to talk to you soon. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.